and I'm an ex-corporate accountant running my own online business remotely. I am also a very passionate traveler. Today, I'd like to continue on the topic of 5 steps to start your remote accounting business. Let's find out what the final preparation step is. Once you complete the 4 steps I talked about in my previous videos, it's time to register your remote practice. The first important decision you will need to make is to choose the legal form for your online accounting business. Is it a sole trader or is it a limited company? These two forms are most popular, and both of them have advantages as well as drawbacks. The choice will depend on your individual situation and, of course, future business strategies. The major aspect would be the risk you are willing to take when running your accounting business. You have to be aware that, as a sole trader, your liability will be much greater comparing to a limited company, and your personal assets may be in danger. On the other hand, trading as a limited company gives more business credibility. It may be easier for the company to obtain finance and to enter into business relationships. Limited companies are seen as more reliable and trustworthy. It makes sense to make the transition from a sole trader to a limited company once your trading income is relatively stable and you have an established client base. This will give you a greater chance of success for your new remote accounting business. So, how to start your remote practice? The process of registering your online business is not as complicated as it sounds. Obviously, it is much easier to start as a sole trader, and it's the simplest and quickest way. But setting up as a limited company may also be a relatively quick process in your country. The vast majority of countries enable the registration process online, and the procedures are rather simplified. You will also need to register for income tax or corporation tax, depending on the legal form of trading. Is it a sole trader or a limited company? You will need to register with your tax office in your country of trading. An obligation to register for sales taxes will depend on your turnover, and it will vary by country. In Europe, you will need to deal with VAT, value added tax implications, while in the United States, you will be dealing with sales taxes. The registration thresholds are published online, and you can research them pretty easily. One more thing you will need to check is with your professional accounting body is if you need to obtain a practicing license in your country. The license may be needed if you want to engage in certain public services. For example, I am registered with ACCA, Association of Chartered Certified Accountants, in the United Kingdom. And I hold a practicing license because I provide tax compliance and statutory accounting services. However, if you want to start with simple bookkeeping and accounting services, most probably you will not need a license for that. What's next? Now it's time to take massive action. I am really happy that you have found the time to watch my tutorials. You have now gained very valuable information, and I hope you will find it helpful. I'd like you to take what you have learned and actually put it in action. Now is the best time to do it. If you don't take action now, you may forget what you have learned, you may lose the momentum, and you may lose the chance to transform your life. I promise that once you make the transition, your work-life balance and happiness will improve tremendously. Keep going. I believe in you. In order to support you on your transformation journey, I have created a free guide to help you make the transition from your 9-to-5 job to starting a remote accounting business and working from anywhere. In this guide, which is called 5 Steps to Start Your Remote Accounting Business, I share my own experience and I give you advice to help you get started simply. So if you would like a copy, just click the link below and you will get it straight away. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you in the next videos, which will be coming soon. Bye for now.